Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Belinda and I just want to welcome you. Beauties, today I have another Dollar Tree DIY for you. It is ridiculously so easy and simple that I'm kind of embarrassed to even show you this DIY. So I was needing a glue gun stand for my glue gun. And as much as I use my glue gun, can you believe that I don't have a stand for it? I just lay it there on the table. So I decided to go ahead and do my own DIY on a glue gun stand. That's what this video is about. Please don't judge me as to how easy this is. Once you see it, you're gonna be like, oh wow, this is just like so easy. But anyhow, I just wanted to share it with y'all, and you know, not so much because I created this, because it's not a creation, but it's something that I came up with that's really easy, so darn inexpensive that you are just gonna like freak out. But anyhow, before that we get started with this DIY, I just want to ask if you could please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you could hit that bell button, you know, right there in the corner, so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Okay, my beauties, let's go ahead and begin this crazy easy DIY. Okay, I want to start by showing you the items I'm going to be using. I'm going to use one jot organizer and one jot card holder or business card holder, a glue gun, and some super glue, and also this cutting board from Cooking Concepts. And all these items I purchased at the Dollar Tree, except of course the glue gun and also a black marker. Okay, so let's begin. I'm gonna start with the glass cutting board, and I just want to show you that it has those little stoppers, I guess you would call them. And I'm gonna flip it over because that's gonna be laying on the table. And then I'm gonna start by placing that organizer and also the card holder right there on the glass cutting board. This glue gun stand is specifically for my large glue gun. What I'm doing here is I'm trying to figure out where I want my card holder and my organizer to sit on the cutting board. And that's what I'm doing there. I'm just trying to position it just right. Once I figure out where I want it to be, I'm going to go ahead and get my marker and just make a line using my organizer as my guide. And as you can see, there's the black marker line that I made. I'm going to put the hot glue and super glue on that line so that I can hold the organizer secure on the glass. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Using the lines as my guides, that's where I'm going to place the super glue and the hot glue. And now I'm going to place the organizer on top of those lines. Some of that hot glue did seep out, so I'm just removing it. And here I'm just showing you the bottom of the glass cutting board. And now I'm going to go ahead and move on with the card holder, and I want to see exactly where I want to place it. So I kind of play around with it a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and grab my glue gun and I'm going to place it on there, and just to see exactly where I'm going to want it to sit. Okay, so now it's time to glue the card holder. So I'm going to go ahead and put some hot glue along the bottom side of the card holder. And now I'm going to place it down on the glass cutting board. I didn't make any markings. I just kind of eyeballed it more or less where I thought I had wanted to place it. Okay, so now I'm going to take the super glue and I'm going to lift up the card holder, and I'm going to place a dab on each bottom corner of the card holder. This will give it the reinforcement it needs so that it'll permanently stay put. And here I'm just gonna press down a bit. So that I can give it an extra hold, I'm gonna add some super glue right there in the corner. And I'm gonna continue to do that in the other opposite corners as well. And here I'm just showing you how both items are nicely bonded to the glass, and it'll probably take 24 hours for the super glue to completely bond to the glass. And here I'm just showing you how I'll place my glue gun. Okay, my beauties, my glue gun stand is complete. And the organizer tray worked really well to store my glue sticks. Because the organizer tray and the card holder are made of metal, I think that this is gonna last me for a long time. And here I'm just turning it around just so you can take a really good look at it. It really came out really good. I did have a little bit of glue that seeped out, and I ended up removing it after I stopped taping. And I almost forgot to mention that it only cost $3 to make this glue gun stand. And I even have an area to tuck in the plug when I'm not using the glue gun. I can't even tell you how convenient this little stand turned out to be. My beauties, that is it for this DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. And you have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next DIY. So bye-bye and God bless. Bye.